UK Healthcare Community Connection is sponsored by UK Healthcare.
We are happy to be joined by Dr. Amit Patel for the latest UK Healthcare Community Connection.
He's here to highlight a recent trend sweeping the beauty world, regenerative aesthetics. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, so regenerative aesthetics is it's a field of medicine that essentially leverages your body's natural healing mechanisms for rejuvenation purposes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are some of the key applications?
Yes, so probably the two most common or well-known is platelet-rich fibrin, essentially where we draw your blood in the office, we process it, and then we take the concentrated portion that normally your body uses to heal to help regenerate an area that we're trying to offset aging. Another application is microfat or nanofat, which is where we liposuction in the office a lot of times. We take a little bit of fat out, we take volume, we put volume where it's needed, and then there's the nanofat component, which is kind of the stem cell component that really has this kind of magic, kind of regenerative properties. So people with scars, bad trauma, people that want to improve and reverse the wisdom that happens with Mother Nature.
Yeah,
Can you tell how,
I'm all for that.
I'm literally like, I've never listened so closely to a doctor before right now. So another one is blepharoplasty. Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah, blepharoplasty.
Okay.
So blepharoplasty essentially is eyelid surgery. And it's got a lot of attention, I think, in the last 5 to 7 years, right? So, one, because our eyes are really a visual communication center as we're talking to people. But we now have a lot of people using video conferencing for personal use, for work use, and they're just more aware that, hey, listen, this is where I start to age. You piggyback with that with the fact that the procedure is now done in the office a lot of times. Downtime's less, and the people that are getting it done earlier are speaking out on social media, and there you go. People are now more comfortable to step in.
I've seen a lot of celebrities and influencers doing that, and they all speak so highly about it. It's just cutting up here, right?
Absolutely, yeah. So for upper eyelids, it's a small incision right above the eyelid. And again, when I first started doing this 15 years ago, most of it was done in the operating room. Now about 75% of my patients prefer to do it in the office. So it's just a little easier of a process.
Well, and if it's not the eye work, a lot of celebrities are getting mini lifts or full facelifts. At least it feels like that, am I right?
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think some of it's because the concept of it being taboo is no longer there, right? So social media, celebrities, they really have kind of stepped in and said, hey, we're doing this. They're talking about it, and people are a lot more comfortable going into it. So.
And you see pictures of celebrities, and you're like, something looks a little different. What did they do? What did they do? So there's a lot of people that are younger, and then there's also people who are older, like 60s, who are participating in this. What do you think the draw is to get it younger then?
I think some of it's just that surgical technique's gotten better, right? And also people are able to do some of these procedures in the office. So less invasive procedures that are allowing us to target areas that people age early. And these people that were the early adopters are saying, hey, I did this, and I'm out here talking about it. Elle magazine just did an article about people doing it in their 40s and 50s, and these people are loving it. And other people are saying, okay, well, if they're doing it, why can't I do it? So,
can you make me look like I'm in my mid-20s again?
You look perfect, man. You don't need anything.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, there you see the information on the screen, ukhealthcare.uky.edu for more information.
I will say, if I ever get anything done, I will let everyone know. And I'll tell you what doctor I went to so we could all look beautiful forever and young. Thank you, Dr. Patel. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
All right, we're back with more news. 30 minutes left right after this.